Jeh-eg-ee is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today we're learning a few ways to say hurry up. Here's 2 ways to tell one person to hurry up. Jayn-eg-ee, Jayn-eg-ee, Jayn-eg-ee. And another one is Brostaigh, Brostaigh, Brostaigh. Now to tell more than one person to hurry up, you can say Jayn-eg-ee, jeh-fer, Jayn-eg-ee, jeh-fer, or Brostaigh, Bruss-tee-gee. All of the previous phrases in this video can also be used to tell someone to come on. Do you find Irish difficult to read and to pronounce? If you do, why not take the Crack Irish Gaelic pronunciation course on Udemy?